Hi there, we are Math Help Tutor. We are an organization that provides parents and guardians the resources they need to effectively tutor their children or students in mathematics. More and more parents today prefer to homeschool or tutor their children by themselves in order to save money from expensive tutorial classes or so they could spend more quality time with them while their kids are still young and are in their growing years. However, tutorial sessions between parents and their children sometimes turn into very stressful situations, which is not good for both the parent and the child. If students are stressed while learning math, this may cause them to hate math, stopping them from taking opportunities later on to pursue a high paying career related to mathematics, like programming, data science, economics, finance, engineering, and many more. That's what we want to avoid. We want to help you provide your child or student to get the best math foundation for their future. Unlike other math help resources, our videos include discussions not only about the techniques, but also about the concepts that are behind the math techniques. This is based on lots of studies that confirm that understanding the principles behind mathematics leads to better math performance. When you enroll now, this course will provide you with a review of math lessons from back when you were in elementary or high school so that you can more effectively tutor your child or student about their own math lessons and assignments. You may know the techniques, let's say about long multiplication and division, but it will be more meaningful for your child or student if you can also explain the concepts behind these techniques, instead of just telling them to memorize when to carry over or borrow digits. Understanding the principles together with the techniques is proven to deepen math learning, which will give students tremendous advantage in their future math classes, career, and their life. Not only that, we provide you reviews and activities at the end of many topics so you can use them to improve learning by reinforcing the newly acquired skills and knowledge. We also make immediate feedback available to you to further strengthen the learning of your child or student. Of course, you can also show our videos and materials to them while you teach them math. We have designed the course in such a way that it follows the progression of the curriculum of many of the schools in the world. This means that you can access our videos in the order that your child's or student's school arranges their topics as well. So, enroll in our classes right now and start becoming the best tutor for your child or student and get access to our complete lesson videos, reviews, and activities. See you in class and don't forget to keep on learning.